Our today's topic is very important for exam. Which of the following is not a desirable property of scanning gel? A. Low attenuation. B. Water soluble. C. Fast drying. D. Non staining. The right answer here is C. Fast drying. It is not a desirable quality. It should be slow drying. Next, scattering occurs when A. Sound strikes a large smooth boundary. B. Sound strikes smaller rock surfaces. C. Sound travels through air. D. Sound hits bone perpendicularly. The right answer here is B. Scattering occurs when sound hits a small or irregular surface. And specular reflection occurs when sound hits a large and smooth surface. Next, what is backscatter? A. Sound absorbed by the tissues. B. Sound transmitted through the tissues. C. Part of the scattered energy that returns to the transducer. D. Sound that travels sideways. The right answer here is C. Part of the sound energy that travels backward to the transducer. Next, which factor increase the strength of the scattered echoes? A. Lower frequency. B. Smaller scatterers. C. Higher frequency. D. Smooth interface. The right answer here is C. Higher frequency, more scattering. Next, in which condition is increased scattering responsible for a brighter or more echogenic liver? A. Cirrhosis. B. Fatty liver. C. Hepatitis. D. Ascites. The right answer here is B. Fatty liver. Because of the more fat deposition, there is more reflection, so liver appears more bright. Next, why does blood usually appear black on ultrasound? A. It absorbs sound completely. B. It reflects sound strongly. C. It produces very weak Rayleigh scattered echoes. D. It has high acoustic impedance. The right answer here is C. Because RBCs are much smaller as compared to the wavelength, there is very small reflection, which is known as Rayleigh scattering, and that's why it appears black. Next, Rayleigh scattering intensity increase by what factor if frequency doubles? This relation is very important. A. 2 times. B. 4 times. C. 8 times. D. 16 times. The right answer here is D. 16 times. How? Because Rayleigh scattering is directly proportional to frequency power 4. So when frequency doubles, Rayleigh scattering increases 16 times. Next, which of the following increase scattering of ultrasound waves? A. Decreasing frequency. B. Decreasing scatterer size. C. Increasing scatterer density. D. Decreasing acoustic impedance mismatch. The right answer here is C. Increasing scatterer density, then there will be more scattering. Next, which of these tissues produce the most scattering on ultrasound? A. Bone. B. Fat. C. Liver. D. Blood. The right answer here is C, because scattering occurs from small and rough surfaces, for example, liver parenchyma. Next, scattering is more pronounced when the scatterer size is. This is very important relationship. A. Smaller than the wavelength. B. Larger than the wavelength. C. Equal to the wavelength. D. Not related to the wavelength. The right answer here is A. Smaller as compared to the wavelength. Next, how does an increase in the scatterer size affect the strength of the scattered echoes? A. Echoes become weak. B. Echoes become stronger. C. No change in the echo strength. D. Echoes disappear completely. The right answer here is B. Echoes become stronger. Next, what type of scatterer typically produces the weakest echoes in ultrasound imaging? A. Large scatterers. B. Small scatterers. C. Smooth reflectors. D. Dense reflectors. The right answer here is B. Small scatterers like the RBCs produce the weakest echoes.